Welcome fellow creators, get ready to elevate your video creation skills as we take it up a notch. After the massive response to our bulk social media post creation tutorial, we heard your requests loud and clear. Today we're back with an exciting new approach, creating captive riddle videos using Canva and ChatGPT. Get ready to tap into the massive potential of this format, just like the popular ones you see on TikTok and Instagram Reels. But wait, there's more. These techniques can be applied to various trends video formats. We'll be using ChatGPT to generate 30 intriguing riddles and their answers. But here's the twist. We'll present them in a visually appealing table format, complete with emojis, to add that extra touch of fun and curiosity. Alright, ChatGPT, give us 30 riddles and their answers. Oh, and don't forget to add a confused or a question emoji at the end of each riddle. Let's see what you've got. Well, that was easy. Fantastic. Now that we have our content ready, let's head over to Canva and bring these riddles to life in a captivating video. Let's kick things off by opening up Canva and navigate into the video tab. Here you'll discover a range of size options. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the mobile videos, perfect for social media platforms that thrive on the portrait-orientated content. Now let's explore the creativity possibilities in Canva. Head over to the Elements tab and search for Riddle. To narrow down the search results, click on the video options. Look for the background video that perfectly complements the riddle theme. For instance, I've stumbled upon this creative maze video that adds an extra layer of intrigue to your content. It's all about finding the perfect match. Customization is key. To make the video suit your style, adjust its duration to your preference. Simply click on the playback at the top and control the speed. I recommend increasing it to around 16 seconds, giving you ample space to work and create engaging content. It's all about finding the perfect balance. Time to add styling overlays to your video. Press the R key on your keyboard to introduce a rectangular element. Scale it up to cover the entire canvas and change the colour to sleek black. To achieve a subtle effect, adjust the transparency to around 35%. This will add a touch of sophistication to your visualizations. Let's make it visually captivating. Level up your video with some captivating text. Head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the text option. Choose the heading style and drag it to the desired position. Write the engaging topic such as riddles and answers. To make it stand out, customize the font and size. For a striking look, I recommend choosing a different font and increasing the size to fit nicely. Let your text shine and grab attention from the get-go. To enhance the text even more, we can add a background. Click on the effects option and select background. You can adjust the colour and other settings to your preference. To display the riddle, duplicate the header by clicking the plus icon or pressing Ctrl+D. Let's remove the background from the duplicate heading as we'll use it to present the riddles. Copy one of the riddles from ChatGPT, paste it into the duplicate heading, and then let's adjust the font size. Make sure to switch the text colour to white for better visibility. You can also add effects like shadows or outlines to make it visually appealing. Now let's add a timer element to amp up the excitement. We can choose either a countdown timer or a progress bar. In this example, I'll opt for a progress bar. Start by adding a rectangle, position it strategically and scaling it to cover the desired duration. To make it stand out, change the colour to something attention grabbing, like this vibrant red. Brace yourself for a visually captive timer experience. To display the answer, duplicate the text box containing the riddle. Paste the corresponding answer from ChatGPT and adjust the size as needed. To make the video more engaging, let's add animations. Click on the heading and then select Animate at the top. Play around with different animation options and choose the one that best suits your style. I'll select the pop and then set it to appear only on entry. Apply the animations to the questions and answers section as well. For example, you can choose an animation like ascend for the question, making them reflect on both entry and exit. For the answer, you can select an appealing animation like burst and set it to appear on entry only. Let's not forget about the progress bar. Since it represents the time for viewers to think and answer the riddle, let's apply a wiping animation to it. Adjust the speed to provide enough time for the audience to engage with the content. After adding the elements and animations, you might notice that everything is displayed simultaneously, which isn't what we want. To fix this, click on the progress bar, access the menu by clicking the three dots and then selecting Show Timer. And what this does, it brings up the secondary layer, as Canva doesn't have a separate layer for B-rolls just yet. And here's where we can fine-tune the timing. Pause the video and drag the handle to the progress bar for the start to meet the playhead. Now let's align the progress bar's end with the position where the question disappears and the answer is revealed. Drag the handle from the end to meet the current playhead position. Similarly, adjust the question and answer handle to match the desired timing. By implementing these timing adjustments, we ensure that the progress bar loads after a proportion or all of the questions have been displayed. This adds an element of suspense and engagement to the video. Great job so far. Now let's move on to the next step and connect the riddle and the answers to our data source. Go to the Apps section on the left menu and search for Bulk Create. Select Enter Data manually and clear all the data that is currently listed. Now let's head over to ChatGPT and copy all the riddles and their answers and paste them into Canva. Great job so far. Now let's move on to the next step and connect the riddles and their answers to our data source. In the left panel, right click or click on the three dots for each question and answer element and then select Connect Data. Choose the corresponding value from the data source, which in our case is the riddle for the question and the answer for the answer element. Once done, click on Continue on the left-hand side of the menu. You'll now see all the riddles generated from the data source. If there's any that you don't want to use, simply unselect them. Finally, click on the Generate 30 pages to proceed. Fantastic! Canva has generated the 30 pages for your riddle videos. Now it's time to edit and customize each page as needed. You can download them individually by clicking on the download button in the right hand corner of the screen. Here's a quick workaround if you want to change the background video for each riddle. Unfortunately, Canva doesn't provide a direct option for that. However, you can delete the overlay rectangular and directly drag a new video onto the background. Alternatively, you can click on the video clip on the left, select the three dots and choose Replace Background. Repeat this process for each page to personalize the background video according to your riddle's content. Feel free to get creative and experiment with different videos. After making any customizations to the pages, you're now ready to export your videos. Congratulations! You've successfully created an engaging riddle video using Canva and ChatGPT. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in explaining your video creation skills. Remember, you can apply these techniques to various types of videos, not just riddles. If you've enjoyed the video and found it valuable, please smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials like this. We're constantly sharing awesome content to help you level up your video creation game.